An estimated 5,000 students from various universities in KwaZulu-Natal marched on the streets of Durban. However, police presence ensured that things do not get out of hand. Students are adamant to pursue their call for free and quality education. Religious leaders and civil society organizations have also shown their support. A memorandum with various grievances was delivered at the municipal offices.
All of us to respect and listen to our campus leaders and our leaders who organize this event of the day.
Some businesses are now paying close attention to the campaign.
Masisho City Durban Chamber of Commerce and Industry, we are deeply touched by your plight, and as parents as well as the Durban Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
Seemingly, the call for free tertiary education is far from over, as students now vow to shut down universities until their demands are met. I'm Zeph Ndlovu for Journalism Iziko.